KINGT, a global provider of digital inkjet solutions. KINGT is dedicated to starting from customer demands, exploring innovation and breakthroughs with high-standard R&D technology and service attitude. We delve deeply into the high-end industrial printing sector, transforming digital production from a concept into a core industry asset amid the competition of digital industrialization and industrial digitalization. KINGT consistently adheres to the path of independent intellectual property. The company has obtained numerous software and hardware patent certificates and honorary qualifications. In October 2020, KINGT expanded production plant Zhejiang Puncher Digital Industrial Park was established, covering an area of 220,000 square meters, equipped with first-class production and processing machinery, including laser cutting, laser welding, large gantry machining centers, and CNC precision machining centers. We strive for excellence in every process to create masterpieces of craftsmanship. KINGT has developed tailored solutions for various industries. Independently developed products include UV flatbed printers, corrugated packaging printers, high-speed digital label press, high-speed digital sheet-fed press, and industrial KINGT 1600S presses. Product customization with advantages of energy efficiency, eco-friendly simplified processes, outstanding color management, high speed, and precision. We covers the industry of textiles, advertising, cylindrical printing, 3C and electronics, home decoration, and furniture packaging. Based on customer-first philosophy, KINGT has established a comprehensive after-sales service system supported by a professional team of engineers. With service networks around the world, an established customer service center based in Shenzhen provide quick response and dedicated follow-up services. KINGT, precision printing for the future. Intelligent manufacturing.
大家好，我是金谷田创始人李志明。记得09年创立之初，我们定下的愿景是让印刷变得环保、高效、多姿多彩。经过16年的奋斗，让数码打印这个技术赋能到千万年轻人的创业，也涌现了一大批优秀的创业者，真正做到了科技推动生产力，让这个世界更美。每一个脚步都彰显了我们的坚韧与担当。在未来的旅程中，金谷田将不忘初心，继续推动中国数码行业走向更大的舞台。